Hello there, YouTube. And you might remember a while ago I was talking about doing this rail system for the camera. Well, this is it here. Now, looks a bit Heath Robinson, but I have to say it works very well. So what I did was I made this mount. I'll show you more of that in a second. And it uses the little mount for the tripod, and I have it done that slides into it, and it's a tight sliding fit on the bit of 2x1. So I just clipped on the FIFINE external power supply with the D cells in it, so they last a lot longer than the AAA's. See, there's the external power socket there. So everything just sits there like that, and the camera is looking directly down at the desk. You can just see the viewfinder there if I bend it up. So, and through a too short at the moment HDMI lead, need to get a longer one, and I look at what's happening here on the monitor, so you can, I have it in manual focus there now, so just get that in the center of the shot. Now I'll focus it. Trying to do all this one-handed now. So you can, you know, if I'm doing something up close and personal, soldering wise or whatever, it's quite easy for you to see, and my hands won't be in the way. So there you are, that's that. So it's just simple enough. We have done, I have a couple of rails there, the roller bearing draw runners, and a piece of 2x1 attached, and the rail just sits onto them. And no, it's kind of like tight fit, just crude woodwork, and you can slide it in and out if you want, and that's it. Just take it off and put it away when you're finished with it. So I did have to put this light here though, it's a little LED tube affair, because what was happening with the lights I have up here for over the bench, it was casting a shadow, the piece of wood. So I just put that there, and that does the job. So I'll just show you the mount now, and that'll be that then. So this is the mount that fits onto the piece of 2x1, and just a few bits of scrap thrown together, and done a bit of digging out here for the mount that's on the camera for the tripod to slide in, and just have the little piece of strap across the bottom there to stop it falling out. So this guy here, he just slides straight down into it and it holds the camera there. So it's quite handy. So simple enough, didn't take too long to do, but you know, every time I did a video where I was soldering or something like that, it just used to annoy me. You know, when you be looking back over it when you were editing it or whatever, and you couldn't, you know, my hands were constantly in the way. So at least this way, that should take care of that problem. So handy enough system to do. So there you are, we'll get you in the next one.